Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this tutorial video I'll be showing you how to create and sell your own ebook on Amazon in 2025. Whether you want passive income or to share your knowledge, this workthrough will guide you step by step. So guys, what are the first steps you would take, towards writing your first ebook? That would be to subscribe to our channel and turn on your post notifications. And another thing you would need to do is actually planning and writing your ebook. So, in terms of planning, you're going to need to complete a couple of things. First off, you're going to need to know what kind of topic or niche you want to focus on. If it's fiction, non-fiction, guides, tutorials, stories, or anything in between. It could even be advice or even a podcast. You could sell a podcast script as an ebook. Now, how do you go about doing things like this? You're going to need to have either Google Docs or Microsoft Word if you're looking to write, or you could even make use of Scrivener. Other than that, you're going to also need to format and do some other things, which I'm going to be showing you in a couple of minutes. So you're going to need, you know, Google Docs or Microsoft Word where you actually write on. And also you need to know how you're going to be exporting your file. It's better to export it either as a PDF or a doc. That's a DOCX, a docs file. Now go ahead and open up your browser. So open up your browser. Canva is going to be used to design what your ebook should look like, but majorly it's going to be Microsoft Word or docs.google.com. Here you can simply write your ebook. You can write your entire ebook from different document tabs. You could open separate tabs, as many tabs as you'd like, and just keep writing, adding more pages to your worksheets. And then once you're done, just head over to File here at the top left, click on File. Once you've selected file, simply scroll till you find something like download. Now you can download it as a Microsoft Word DOCX, that's a doc, or a PDF document, both of which are simply easy to use and simple to share. You can also collaborate with other people by inviting them via their links to come and, add value to your work. All right, so once you've gotten the file typed out and everything done on either Google Docs or Microsoft Word, what's the next step? Next step would be to format. So basically, you're going to have to take your file and simply format it for Kindle. Amazon uses Kindle Create, which is a free software, to format their files. How do you go about using Kindle? All you need to do is simply search up Kindle Create. So, as I said, it is a free desktop application developed by Amazon to help authors and publishers format their completed manuscript for publication on Kindle Direct Publishing. So we're going to be publishing this ebook on Amazon KDP, which is the Kindle Direct Publishing platform. It's designed That's Kindle Create. It's designed to convert unformatted files into professional looking ebooks, and it supports multiple formats including docx, HTML, RTF, TXT, and PDF. So the software primarily focuses on creating reflowable ebooks, which are ideal for novels, essays, memoirs, as they adapt to different screen sizes on Kindle devices. So just go ahead and click on Kindle Create, and you'll be taken to this option here on Amazon, and then simply click on free download for PC. So go ahead and download this for your computer. Once you've downloaded it, you can simply upload the file to Kindle, and Kindle is going to do its magic by simply converting it into a clickable content or ebook. All right, so now simply preview your ebook on the Kindle Create platform. Once you're done previewing, you can now take up the next step, which will be designing your professional cover. So you could do this yourself, or you could go through the other option of hiring someone to help you out. A great cover actually sells your ebook for you, as most people. Now, you can go about doing this either by yourself or by hiring a professional to get it done for you. Now, you can find many professionals who are really good at creating ebook covers or covers in general from Upwork or Fiverr. And now once you're done hiring someone, or if you choose to do it yourself, all you need to do is have a Canva account. So once you're on Canva, make sure you have an account. If you do not, sign up for Canva, and then head over to the home section, and where we have search millions of templates, simply type in ebook cover. Go ahead and type in ebook cover, and you're going to find actual covers for your ebooks, either you're going to find them as videos or free photos that you could make use of. You could just go with any of these designs, edit them into whatever you want, and just simply convert it into your ebook cover. If you find any of the materials here, whether they are paid or free, as something you'd want to make use of. All right, so Amazon actually requires JPEGs or TIFF formats for ebooks, so keep that in mind when you're exporting from Canva. You can set it up. Let's just go ahead and open up one of these templates and show you what to do. So let's say you're going with this template, click on customize this template. All right, so with the design opened up, Canva is a really amazing platform. You could make use of their free AI tool to actually generate your ebook cover, but that would be in a separate video. Now for Canva designs, you can easily edit them into whatever you want by simply accessing the editable part of the template. Once you're done, click on share at the top corner of your screen. And here's the important part, downloading or exporting. So click on download. And now instead of saving it as a PNG, you're going to have to save it as a JPEG or a TIFF. So JPEGs are available. I do not know for TIF, TIFF files. So just go with JPEG for the best sharing and simply click on download. Now, once you select the download option, it's going to download. And the next step would be to publish on Amazon KDP. So once you're done here, just open up your browser, simply search for Amazon KDP. And then where we have Amazon KDP, just simply click here and you'd find the Kindle Direct Publishing. So this is where you can actually make your money. You can see the total earnings for the month of August is $63 million, 63.5. So keep this in mind when you're joining the platform. There's a lot of competition, but you would sell. Now, simply click on Join KDP. So click on this option and you're asked to create your account. So go ahead and create an account. And once you're done creating your account, you're going to need to do a couple of things. First off, once you've signed in or once you're signed on to the platform, you're going to have to go over to click on Create. So all right, guys. So once you've signed into KDP, that's the Amazon KDP, it says create, manage, publish. So what you're gonna do is just head over to click on create. So create new title or series. And once you've selected this option, give it some time to load in. But basically what you're doing after create is select the Kindle ebook. So go ahead and click on create ebook. Now, in the ebook section, go ahead and enter the title. If it's a series, you can add it to a series, an ongoing series. If it's an edition, if you're the author, you could do this. If there are contributors, you could also write the description. You could publishing rights. I own the copyright. I own the copyright and I hold the necessary publishing rights. Primary audience, just go through the entire category and click on save and continue, and then proceed to upload your content. So, guys, the next step is pricing and royalties. In terms of pricing and royalties, Amazon offers two royalty options: 35% royalty for books priced under $2, and 70% royalties for book price between $2 to about $9. And research similar books and set a competitive price so you can actually sell, and also try to market your ebook. So make sure you promote your ebook on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or your blog. Use the Amazon ads to boost your visibility and encourage early reviews by asking friends, email subscribers, or social media followers to kind of like get a touch of what you're selling and if people like it actually. So guys, comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.